right, Jose, turn it up for showtime.
Oh, buenos dias, señorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my number perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing word and the flowers grow. In the tiki room, welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we were in the show starting right away, we'd be the audience too. All together in the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing word and the flowers grow. In the tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing so low.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. It's not right here, Schmidt. I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mi amigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
See, boys in the back are calling calls.
because of their claws.
No, because they're macaws. And a fine feather bread is a jolly tooth can dance. You can sound better than what you can. The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day. In the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing word and the flowers grow. In the tiki room, our magnificent production is yet to come. So strum the guitar and beat the drum. We spin the hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus. In the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing words and the flowers grow. In the tiki room, bring it down. In the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing words and the flowers grow. In the tiki room.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
Look, here come the girls.
Ach, ja. And a wunderbar birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a birdmobile.
Mesdames and messieurs, bienvenue que la Bénédicte sont ensemble. Just like the colibachere with only feathers. There's Colette, hello Kelly. Suzette, hello Mimi. Gigi, Vivi, and Mimi. Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
It's a sing like a bird sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's all sing like a bird sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's all warble
was born in Sweden.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Yeah. The bird stands still, and the tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical duo.
All those things in the corner, it's Yeah.
Somebody has stolen my thunder.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, ye fine friends. The gods have been angered by all this celebrating. But leave a boat, every cloud has a silver line.
Monsieur and Mesdames, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. The bird is you've heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the
applause. Let's give the birds a standing ovation. Applause. Up down there, applause. Everybody stand up on your feet. Ole!
No, as long as you're all
It's not
set.
over, is it?
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you